And we're recording again. So quick check at our gauges, and we're perfect in oil temperature, oil pressure's brilliant, at 2,400 revs, 18 knots, we're just about stable, we're not really coming down much at all, it reckons about 100 feet per minute, but the altimeter's not really moving that much, so we're fine, quite stable. Fuel, loads of it. No sign of any other aircraft. Our airspace, we're not in anything restricted. Shame about the haze.
Yeah, it's very hazy, isn't it?
Extremely hazy. But, see the difference now flying in the evening when the air temperature's cooling down and it's matching the temperature on the ground. Clouds disappear, or they go up really, really high.
Yeah, rising up.
And that gives us a nice smooth flight like this. If I was getting chucked around, I'd have been a bit nervous about just giving you the stick and letting go of myself, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Lovely, isn't it? Where are we now? Somewhere. I've got my glasses on. Does that say Market Harbour?
Yeah, pretty much.
That's Market Harbour down there.
Yeah.
Market Harbour down there.
Yeah.
So we'll circle around Market Harbour and then we'll start heading sort of like towards Rutland, shall we?
Yeah, lovely.
Got to keep an eye on the time as well because we don't want sunset on us. But sunset's after 9, just after 9, and we can fly up to half an hour after sunset, but it does get very dark when it's coming up towards sunset and it's quite nerve-wracking. So, where's the time? 8:19, 8:15?
15, yeah.
We're alright. What time did I put on that piece of paper? Sorry Justin, can I just get in there? 7:40?
7:40.
Must have been 6:40, surely. I've no idea. You got a watch on?
Yeah. It's quarter past.
Quarter past 8?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll start heading back towards
Circle around to the right.
Yeah. Right, what I'll do, I'll punch in the direct to. Oh, I better put my glasses on for this. And this will take us all the way back, direct to
Bakersfield, yeah.
Bakersfield. Right, just follow the line. Follow the yellow brick road. Keep a good lookout at your turns.
Yep.
You don't have to be directly on the line, just...
Yeah, somewhere near it.
Yeah. Just heading in the same direction as it. Yeah, in weather like this, flying feels really easy. It's so smooth, it's just like you're skating across it, isn't it? So we're now heading east. That's Corby in front of us there.
Yeah, it's got to be, isn't it? Yeah. There's a paraglider below us, but he's a long way below us.
Is there?
Yeah, a long way down.
If nobody's watching, let's go and take him out. It's nice when you get balloons up and you go flying around them.
Scare them.
They don't like it.
No, imagine they don't.
But we do. They have automatic right away though because they're unpowered.
Yeah, so they've got no control where they're going up there. It's all up and down, that's about it, isn't it?
So it's balloons and then gliders and paragliders.
Right.
If anything's coming towards you, you turn right.
Alright, always to the right.
Yeah.
Now obviously they know the same, so you, yeah, avoiding collision.
Nice house down there, beautiful. Right down there. I'll zoom in on it. Look at that. Lovely
Very
jubbly.
nice. Days like today, you wish you had a swimming pool.
I bet it'd be bloody cold still.
Oh, bang on the line anyway.
Yeah, we're flying it lovely in balance. We're bang on there. We're not dropping. We're not climbing. Now we're going right into wind here now, you see, because our ground speed is indicating 69, 70 knots, and our airspeed is indicating 80, so we've got a 10 knot headwind.
Yeah.
But wind never comes in one just direction, it swoops.
Yeah.